And I just realized.
Ganbare?
Nap. Take a nap.
I'm gonna take a nap, and then I'm gonna do my face routine that I'm so excited to know more about. and then I will go to my dance lesson with a beautifully well cared face.
You're gonna sweat it all out. What?
Yeah, and then go home and I do it again.
Do it
right?
again. Do the lesson first, and then go home, and then wash your face, and then do it.
When you sweat out the toxins in your face. Don't do your skincare routine before. It's a waste.
She's excited about it.
She just wants it.
She just wants to
do
do
it.
It's like this phase I'm in right now. It just feels nice because I finally found something that like I've had a problem with like not being able to find.
The lesson first, and then go home, and then wash your face, and then.
You touch your elbows together? No, I can't actually. It's impossible because my tits are too fat. If I try, then they'll they'll become so pushed up. If I try, then they'll they'll become so pushed up. If I try, then they'll they'll become so pushed up. If I try, then they'll they'll become so pushed up. And if I put my elbows together, do you want to know what'll happen to those things? Unspeakable horrors, okay? I cannot put my elbows together. It would be a tragedy.
Tea, okay? We're gonna have more. There's obviously also green tea and stuff like that. And then on the other hand, coffee, we have, not that I'm hating or anything, I'm just saying, we have bitter, 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 and bitter. And all bitter with a little bit of sugar.
You just can't taste the difference.
I did! I even said it and you were like, wow.
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Okay.
No.
No, okay, that's fine then. Get the next one then.
Okay.
Go ahead. That's fine then. That's fine then. That's fine then. Get the next one then.
Okay.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Let's do.
I love crackers. I'll go out my way for some crackers. I felt very parroty just then. 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 Crackers.
By the way, so I was knocking on Faye's doorbell, I guess, to enter the building, and then you made such a weird noise. You know there were people standing behind you. I realized afterwards. She made like a dying dinosaur noise, and then there were people behind. I was like.
Honestly, right now, in the mini shelf, it's just books I've already read. The ones I haven't read is probably in different bags. Different bags that I have, just like one each. Sometimes I want to read different stuff, so I ended up putting it in my bag, and I'm like, okay, tomorrow, if I change my bag, I have another book in there, so it's like... But then, oh, I want to read that particular book. But then, oh, I want to read that particular book. But then, oh, I want to read that particular book. But then, oh, I want to read that particular book. I have to be like, where is it again? It's a mess. It's a mess. Which is why I caved in and decided to buy books online. Like digital books.
Thank you so much, I appreciate it. Good day, Callie. Nearly 5 years ago, decided to grow out my hair and donate it. And yesterday I finally cut it. Managed to accumulate a little over 2.5 meters of hair to be turned into wigs for people going through cancer treatment. It feels good. Really didn't need to say this in a super chat, but it was important to me, so I felt like sharing. That's amazing. 5 years is a long time to grow out hair, what the heck? I actually did that once upon a time too. I was much younger though, but it was something that I wanted to do. Maybe I wanted to do it because it was kind of like a trendy thing for girls my age to do back then. I I wanted to do it because it was kind of like a trendy thing for girls my age to do back then. I wanted to do it because it was kind of like a trendy thing for girls my age to do back then. I wanted to do it because it was kind of like a trendy thing for girls my age to do back then. Maybe that's the only reason, but I feel pretty good about it. That's awesome, Michael C. Thanks for sharing. I hope that you're happy with the new haircut, though.
I'm gonna try everything, but I'm gonna leave a lot, and I felt bad.
That's okay. That's okay. They're probably
okay.
used to it, to be honest.
It's so
Yeah,
healthy
eat breakfast.
too. Like,
Yes.
I realize, like, if I eat breakfast like this, actually, it's also a lot of calories, but still healthy. Like, if I ate breakfast like this every single day, I would be so fit.
Yes, you would. Actually, breakfast is the meal that you're meant to take in most of your calories for the day.
Right? It's supposed to be the most important meal of the
Yes,
day. I remember
it is
people
the
always
most
telling me
important
that.
meal of the day.
I don't eat breakfast.
I don't eat
That's
breakfast.
not good.
You
That's no
gotta,
good.
you gotta. If anything, eat less dinner.
Yes.
It's just hard to eat when you just wake up. Like,
That's what
Yeah.
you think,
I
but then your
usually
body
can't.
gets used to it. Because if you eat less for dinner, you wake up hungry.
And then you're ready to eat a ton of breakfast and natto. I love natto.
they didn't have natto though.
You
I
guys
didn't
all
try.
like natto?
I like
Yes,
natto.
I
Okay with
love
it,
natto.
yeah. Pretty good.
Oh, do you
I
not?
love natto.
It's
alright.
I've tried it. I was force-fed it by the twins.
Aw.
Now you can.
I think it's great if you like mix in like green onion in it, and also like maybe eat
Yeah,
it
soy sauce.
tamako kake gohan. If you eat it with TKG, it's great.
Well, I do like the TKG.
Yeah, you
Yes.
just add it into your TKG, and it becomes a more nutritious TKG.
Hear me out. Natto omelets.
Yes!
Oh,
Oh my
yes.
god, I've heard
Oh.
people talk about natto omelets.
Hear me out. Natto spaghetti.
What?
I've never had that,
That
actually.
sounds
Natto
kind of
spaghetti.
good.
My mom used to make natto spaghetti like really often. It's really good. You
Interesting.
boil your pasta in like dashi, like some dashi, so it's like a little bit wafu. Like a Japanese style.
interesting.
And then you add natto to it and you mix it together. It's great.
Eh?
And also, I think it was the rice didn't really fit the natto back then. Like, rice
Good
that
rice.
fits it, then it's great. Yeah, like
I remember-
actual authentic Japanese rice.
Because I'm starting out with bleh. Like, really gross bleh.
we'll
That's
see.
my start.
But you just had it by itself, right?
Yeah.
No. You gotta have it in like its proper
Mix
form.
it.
In a meal.
Yes.
I'm gonna try and make the pasta next time. That sounds interesting.
I'm curious.
Yes, it's very simple. It's a very simple dish, but it's great.
Okay.
Interesting.
Natto and R1.
Natto.
Someone in chat said
Never
that.
get sick again.
Never get sick.
Never
Full
get sick.
immunity from
Sick, true.
anything.
Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and try a bunch of flavors, you will not regret it. Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and hang out at our ice cream shop. It's called Let Just Ice. Haha, get it!